So excited, lovely. This is the first Plan With Me video that I'll be posting on this channel. Yay! And I will be using the beautiful floral kit from the limited edition Bloom collection. And make sure to stay till the end of this video because I'll show you how you can win 2 of these beautiful floral kits for free. So with this Plan With Me, I'll be using the Lovely planner, and you can find that planner by using the link below in the description box. And I turned my planner sideways because it's easier for me to plan on and off of camera. And the first thing that I do is I'm using these gorgeous spring colored today headers all across the top of the planner to mark the different things that I need to do for today, what's the most important, and it comes in the gorgeous green, blue, pink, and blush colors. And next I'm placing the full box headers. On this side there's a 3-part continuing scene, so those stickers I put next to each other because they look super cute together, but they also work great on their own. And on the other side of the planner I'm placing the rest of the full boxes, like the ombre polka dots, the close-up floral, and this one right here is the flowers on a stack of frames. Everything in this kit is custom artwork, and they just work so beautiful together. And next I'm placing the to-do headers. I love having a to-do section in my planner because I am able to mark all the different things that I really need to get done for that day, and checking off checkboxes is just super satisfying. The next row of headers are the littles headers. And under these littles, I like to put things such as what I need to do for my meal planning, different TV shows that I watch, I mark that in the littles section, or different workouts I may need to do, things like trash, bill due, budgeting, all that for me goes in the little section. And you do get coordinating colors so that if you like to match the different colors, you can do that as well. But if you don't like to match colors, you don't have to. That's the beauty of using a sticker kit like this. You can really make it your own. Next is the really gorgeous script sticker, and I'm just showing you the different places where I do place it, and never done it sideways before, but I'm kind of liking how fancy it looks tilted like that. So place the weekend banner work section. I put a section on the side, and I'm just stacking up the sidebar with various headers and a stackable sidebar and a 3-box checklist. All these things that look really nice on the sidebar so that if nothing else gets done for the week, I make sure that those things on that side get done. Now I'm placing a flag horizontally next to a payday sticker because paydays are awesome and I think they should always be tracked because they're such a happy day. And now, if you do have a box like that one that is super colored, you can put a half box or a quarter box like I'm doing there so that you can have an opportunity to write on it. If not, it's nice to leave them blank and have a little bit of decoration in your planner. But I have so much fun placing different half boxes and functional stickers now. And I put another flag next to laundry to mark laundry, and another one for trash. And then I just go around placing different labels, icons, to emphasize different things that need to be done. Now I'm adding just the last little bit of deco to complete the planner. I've teamed up with the beautiful Celeste over at Mystic Magnolia to bring you the Flutters and Bloom giveaway. You have a chance to win 2 floral kits from the limited edition Bloom collection, along with some fun habit trackers, bill pay stickers, payday stickers, and just super fun functional stickers. For Mystic Magnolia, you'll get a beautiful mystic charm with the cutest tassels and the most adorable little elephant on it. And you'll also get the Purple Flutter sticker kit, butterfly die cuts, a beautiful change journal, and you'll also get the awesome health trackers. Make sure to click the link in the description box of this video to enter for your chance to win. And if you love giveaways, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.